Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time for previewing this Monarch 10EE lathe video. This is our serial number 46995. This particular machine was recently purchased, and we want to go ahead and show the end user how it looks, sounds, and performs prior to his arrival. So thanks again for the order, we appreciate it. We're going to go ahead and run this machine briefly, run through some spindle speeds, give you the overall lay of the land here. Put everyone at ease so they know that they're getting a great machine. Go ahead, Frank, let's see what you got.
It's 100.
It's 100 RPM.
1,000. 1,500.
Nice.
2,000. 2,500.
Okay, we're at 2,500 now. Just going off the speed knob here.
3,500.
0 to 4,000 RPM.
There's your 4,000.
Nice. It's a nice 4,000 RPM. Showing the rear view of the machine. Again, it still has the taper attachment. The digital readout that's included at no additional charge. Wow, that's beautiful. Let me show them some of the controls here. Digital readout still works. So the dials, the tags, the nomenclature, all the knobs, everything is just absolutely immaculate. Headways, cross slide. Again, we're running this buck, chuck, small 6-jaw. Has the steady rest, the follow rest. Okay, verification. Again, this is serial number 46995. Shown down here on the tag. Your Monarch 10EE. There we go, 46995. Thanks. Okay, let's show them the speed potentiometer knob one more time, Frank. Just kind of make everyone comfortable with how we operate the machine. We're coming off with this dial right here. It's actually called your speed change knob. All right, fantastic. Okay. Well, that about wraps it up for a short demo video here. We want to run the spindle speeds on that one, show you how well it runs. Until next time, we'd like to thank you for your time to preview this machine. Make sure that doesn't spoil. Again, this is serial number 46995 on the 10EE here at Machinery Consultants, August of 2022. I'd like to thank you for your time and your purchase on this machine. It really turned out nice. The Accurite steel is currently working at the moment. The rest of your tooling is going to be boxed up and on a pallet. You'll see it when it shows up. I'll take some photos when we're loading as well. Okay? Thanks again. Well, we appreciate the business. Talk to you soon. Be happy, be healthy. Peace.